The MAXLANDER 3-in-1 cordless leaf blower and vacuum with bag is a versatile and powerful tool that simplifies outdoor and indoor cleaning tasks. With its upgraded design, this machine seamlessly transitions between leaf blowing, vacuuming, and mulching, offering convenience and efficiency in one device. Equipped with 5 speed settings, this cordless leaf blower is suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. From household dust and pet hair to fallen leaves and even light snow, MAXLANDER's blower delivers powerful suction with a wind speed of up to 170 miles per hour and a turbo mode, providing an air volume of up to 330 cfm. The special internal fan blade design reduces the risk of debris entanglement, ensuring smooth operation and protecting the motor from damage. The large capacity 45L collection bag is sturdy and durable, allowing for easy storage of leaves, snowflakes, pet hair, and dust. The bottom zipper design facilitates convenient dumping of garbage, and the bag can be reused after washing with water. Additionally, the extra long shoulder strap provides added comfort during use, reducing strain on the hands and eliminating the need for bending over. With 2 PCs 4.0R large capacity batteries, this leaf blower supports cleaning work for over 36 minutes and can be fully charged in just 1.5 hours. The control panel allows for easy monitoring of wind speed and battery capacity. With a balanced weight distribution of 3.6 kilograms per 7.9 pounds in blowing mode and 4.5 kilograms per 9.9 pounds in vacuum mode, the blower ensures comfortable handling for users of all ages. MAXLANDER offers a 1-year warranty for peace of mind, providing customers with reliable support and service. The package includes the machine, 2 4.0R lithium batteries, a fast charger, and a warranty card. In summary, the MAXLANDER 3-in-1 cordless leaf blower and vacuum with bag impresses with its versatility, power, durability, and user-friendly features, making it an essential tool for efficient cleaning both indoors and outdoors.